Hi everyone, how are you all? I'm quite good. I hope you are also safe and good. In this video, we are going to see some of the basic English structures that would be useful to speak every day, to speak fluently. Okay? I want all of you to learn structures and use in your day-to-day life conversations. I have already done part 1 in which I have covered 60 English basic structures to speak fluently. In this video, I am going to share with you some more English structures that would be definitely useful to you. Okay? So without any delay, let's get started. Before that, welcome to my channel. I am Gowthami.
Although, although small, the office is well designed. Although he is rich, he is not happy. Although the sun was shining, it wasn't very hot. Really need, really need. I really need to attend the function. You really need to get some sleep. He really needs to take more time before taking any decision. Not really satisfied. Not really satisfied. I am not really satisfied with this attitude. He is not really satisfied with the final outcome. They are not really satisfied with their performance. Bad at. Bad at. I am bad at cooking. He is bad at giving presentations. She is bad at playing jokes. How dare! How dare! How dare you use my clothes without permission? How dare he accused me of this crime? How dare she makes personal comments? I can hardly, I can hardly, I can hardly manage my daily tasks. I can hardly believe that he lost everything. I can hardly accept his apology. In danger, in danger. You need to understand that you are in danger. I cautioned her that she is in danger. I need to do it even if I know that I will be in danger. Can or can't. She can teach history or science. They can achieve it with teamwork. I can't speak ill of others. You should. You should. You should check up your health at least twice a year. You should put more effort into your business. You should become proficient in English in 6 months. Don't ever, don't ever, don't ever arrive late for a job interview. Don't ever embarrass people in public. Don't ever make mistake in career choice. Know how to. Know how to. She knows how to develop speaking skills. I know how to fasten the seat belt. Do you know how to speak English fluently? Emotionally. Emotionally. I am emotionally very strong. She blackmails him emotionally every time. Emotionally, he is very weak. Could have. Could have. She could have died in the accident. I could have finished my exam in half the time. They could have helped you financially. It's up to. It's up to. It's up to me to take advantage of this opportunity. It's up to us to take the final decision. It's up to you to make this proposal. It would have been. It would have been. It would have been useful for beginners. It would have been impossible for them without my help. It would have been better to share the information. Regardless of, regardless of, regardless of the danger, he went to the top of the mountain. Regardless of poor health, he carried his duties. It is applicable for everyone, regardless of caste, color, creed, and religion. Instead of, instead of, make some mini goals instead of big ones. He uses public transport instead of a private car. She prefers to go for a walk instead of watching TV. Had to. Had to. I had to prepare the meal today. She had to earn money when she was a student. They had to agree with my proposal. Tired of. Tired of. I am tired of listening to your stories. He is tired of reading geography books. They are tired of waiting for their boss. Should have. Should have. I should have made a better decision. You should have the responsibility of your own. We should have corrected the mistake we made. As for me, as for me, as for me, I believe in helping other people. As for me, I often amuse myself by drawing pictures. As for me, I dislike being away from my family members. Ups and downs. Ups and downs. Life is full of ups and downs. I have seen a lot of ups and downs in my career. Today's stock market is full of ups and downs. Personally speaking, personally speaking, personally speaking, I don't argue too much with anyone. Personally speaking, I don't feel that you can succeed. Personally speaking, this is the best solution to this problem. Convinced that, I convinced that it is truly necessary to learn new languages. He convinced that he would take good care of his wife. She convinced everyone that it's not her fault at all. To my mind, to my mind, to my mind, we should work hard in order to get the project. To my mind, he can't complete the given task by tomorrow. To my mind, he had created a negative opinion on you.
I hope you found this video useful, and if so, please click that like button, share it to your friends and family members who are eager to learn English easily. And not only that, click the bell icon beside that subscribe button so that you would receive a video as I upload it on the YouTube. If you are interested to learn some more structures, let me know in the comments. I will continue doing these structures because English is an ocean and there are n number of English structures that you can use in your day-to-day life conversations. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next video.